Hey, good morning. What's going on? Good morning, Bo. Yeah, I was reading the news. I mean, actually, I got the recording from the meeting yesterday. What's going on? All right, let me update the charts here. I totally forgot to do that. Come on. All right, so just let me put the previous day high. Oh, this is low. Previous day high and previous day low. And let me put the midnight opening level, midnight level, Eastern Standard Time, right here. Okay, perfect. Good morning, Naomi. Simeon, good morning. Welcome. How are you guys doing on this beautiful morning? Hope everybody's doing good. The Bulenox, the challenge need to be 5 days. You have to you have to push the button for 5 days actually. You can flip it for 5 days, so don't ask me why they're doing this. They could have easily do the 1 day pass, but they decided that they want everybody to flip for 5 days. So you can pass in 1 day, but you have to flip it. Interesting, but that's how they do it. Farhad, good morning. What is going on? Good morning, Cosmo. I never seem to upset FTT did it. Good thing, Tom. Love the safety net. Methodical Man, he was streaming, right? I got a notification on my phone that he was live or something. I don't know. But I'm not going to continue to trade with Fast Track Trading. So I'm officially done with them. So, hey Bowser, what's going on? Good afternoon, Tony. Hey Camille, good to see you. The activation fee is $148 for the 50K account. Not because of the new rules, because of the whole shit show that's going on currently with Fast Track Trading. I think they're just sinking down. Payouts are not happening. Promises have been made to many people for weekend, Monday, Tuesday, this day. Nobody's receiving payouts. New rules. Everybody's leaving the sinking ship. So I think FTT is done. Just to be sure, with Bulenox there is no consistency rule. Yeah, you can do anything, Point Man. On the evaluation account, you can do technically anything you want with Bulenox. So, yeah, almost 4K on FTT. Never really. Oh, what about? Well, that's gonna be the last resort. I also received an email. I spoken yesterday with a few people from their Discord and a few traders who I don't want to mention, who also received emails, no payout. So let's just wait. I received email too for the 2nd of November. If they pay out all these things, which I I highly doubt that they can. Everything will be fine, hopefully. Hey, Fresh Delgado, what's going on? Scott guaranteed. I hope he delivers. I really do. I mean, I'm not throwing all that garbage or anything. I just saying that I'm officially right now I'm cutting ties with promoting and endorsing FTT until they're not going to get this right. Because after I've spoken yesterday with quite a few people, again from Discord, and that's it. So let's just wait. If they can deliver the payouts, I will reconsider. But I don't know. Just dropped a video to imagine waiting 30K payout, followed the rules. Oh, 30K payout denied. That's a clusterfuck. I'm sorry. See the email payout. Yeah, I really hope so, Tony. I really hope. That's the last resort. I mean, hopefully they can. I really hope. Yeah. What they said yesterday after the meeting of the new rules, announcing the new rules, they said whoever received a paid by date email is going to get the payout. So, but I was talking with a few people who were guaranteed until the 22 as of yesterday, and I also received messages this morning that no payouts. And I think something just fishy. I don't know. I hope they will deliver. I really hope so. But I just cannot promote them in this way. Good morning, Nikos. You don't know about ProfiTrade. Yeah. Bulenox better. Bulenox and Apex is almost the same now. And by the way, in terms of the rules at FTT, FTT's rules are almost become the same as the others. The only thing is the flipping rule is a little bit different. I mean, as far as I understood, you have to make above $300 or something to count as a trading day on a 50K account. So not 200, it has to be 300 something. I don't know the exact number, I don't remember, but 300 something dollars you have to make to be, you know, counted as a trading day. Now, $300 on a 50K account is, I'm not saying it's not possible, but to make 300 and something dollars with 10 minimum trading days with consistency rule, you know, I'm not saying it's not possible, but it's definitely harder than to make 100 or whatever. For example, MyFundedFutures requires you to make $100 on the starter funded account for 5 days. Now that's easy. That's super easy, but 300 is a little bit higher. Good morning, Alex. 375. Yeah, Tony, sorry. $375 on a 50K account to count as a trading day, or more than negative, I mean lose more than $187 to count as a trading day. So what you can do is actually make a very good day, and if you're close to the payout, you have to lose $187 the next day or whatever, I don't know. But $375 is a little too much for me on a 50K account. For maybe a 100K account, I would say maybe, but a 50K account, that's a little bit too much, in my opinion. Foodport easy. Yeah. Yeah, Top Step needs 200. I also think that 200 is a little bit too much with Top Step. I mean, nothing against Top Step because they're good, but even 200 is a little bit, you know, it's okay. 200 is okay, but anyway, 200 is maybe the borderline, you know. Yeah. 150. Oh, 150. 50k 250. Okay, sorry. Sorry then. My mistake. My mistake. Everything. So many new information this morning. So many new info. All right. Let's see what's going on. I hope that, you know, last resort for FTT, I hope they can deliver those pay by date things. But I really hope. So we are inside of this 1 hour fair value gap currently. We have previous day high above 600, almost relative equal highs. And we have this order block thingy, whatever it's called. Not happy with the change. Well, I guess a lot of people are upset. A lot of people, including myself, by the way. But I mean, I like the fact, and you know, I have actually no issue about, you know, leaving some threshold on the account. That's fine, and I have no issue to build up the account. That should be the goal, in my opinion. That should be the goal, to build the account. So that's why I think Apex just did the best thing that they could. So I think Apex decision was one of the best decisions that they made so far in the past couple of months. So, but the only problem currently at this day, this moment with FTT is too many promises and not paying out the people. That's the only problem. A lot of good promises, a lot of good hope, but no money. No money. A few people got money. A handful of people got paid out of those thousands of people. And that's it. On my FTT, I have 161k now. I need to trade another 4 days for between... Yeah, you mean you have to make above $375 at least, or lose $187 to count as a trading day. I think it's doable because you have a much bigger net and you have a profit there, Tony. So you can do it, I think. Judith, good morning. Actually approved your payout. You got paid. Oh yeah, Salty Finn, your first sentence, I haven't even read the rest of the sentence there. So I know a lot of people hate Apex, but at least they are paying out and paid out people, and still paying out people, by the way. So and that's all that matters for us who are trading prop firms. No more promises, no more. Currently the majority of the people are waiting, you know, more than 30 days for payouts. So, but I hope that they will get this right. Exactly, Salty. FTT currently, and this is the obvious truth, they just don't have money to pay. That's it. Exactly. They picked a few people who shared their payouts on Twitter and here and there. They got paid, and that is it. I'm not saying currently that they are a scam. I told you guys yesterday, I'm gonna wait for the first week of November, which is gonna be in about 2 weeks. So in about 2 weeks, if there's gonna be absolutely no progress, then we will all know that what is really going on. 10k because of DCA before. Oh shit. Tony, what can I say to that? Yeah, man. Tony, I'm sorry to hear that. Actually, with Apex, the DCA denial was not really forfeiting or ban or anything. I guess you have to continue another 10 days. We have Dominic here. I'm not sure if he's here in the chat. Dominic was also denied, traded another 10 days, and he got paid out. Holy Grail, good morning. Marco, good morning. Apex, I think Apex is done with rules for a while, I think. They're stuck. Microsoft Heavy. Yeah. Ati, good morning. Good morning. All right. Everything on the 1 hour chart looking okay. We have an Asia low right here. Could be taken out at 492, and we have an Asia high right here at 537, and below that on the 15-minute we have a BC 15-minute BC. Okay. So these are the levels that we have. Reza, good morning. What's happening there? Good morning, John Canton. How's MyFunded payout rules? You know, the starter account requires 5 days above $100 to request the payout. You have to leave a threshold, minimum threshold, which is I think 500 or something like that. They also change like almost every month. MyFundedFutures has an instant funded account now, which is called the Milestone plan. So basically, the cheapest instant funded account is $400, a 50K funded account, instant. You can check it out. With the promotion, with the promo, and you will get, profit target is, so there's the profit target on the instant funded account. On a 50K you have to make $3,000 and you can get $2,000 in payout. That's the first milestone, and you continue to trade, and if you achieve 4 payouts you go to live account. So instant payouts, payouts every milestone, basically. That's what it is. Working on top step eval. Let's go. I'm glad you're recovering there, Reza. Good morning, Paul. The milestone plan, I think it looks okay, by the way. I know it's a little bit more expensive than the others, but hey, guys, you're like, you know, with MyFundedFutures instant funded account, you're basically, you know, getting into a super clean, simple system with a very trustworthy prop firm at this point. So, just saying. Expensive. Yeah, it's more expensive. So if you want a little bit cheaper instant funded account, then ProfiTrade is cheaper. I'm just saying that for diversification, if you have some extra money for it, then you can diversify. For now, the cheapest instant funded account, quote unquote cheapest, is with ProfiTrade. I think currently they're having a 50% sale or something like that. They were having a 60% before, and they were having a 70% when they started out, but now it's 50 or something. Yeah, I'm sorry, Ati. I don't know all the rules by memory. I know I should know that, but they changed it like almost every month. They have a different rule. Mohinder, sorry. Mohinder, welcome to the stream, welcome to the channel. Thank you for the subscription. Both have evals, yes. By the way, the ProfiTrade evaluations, I don't know what's up today, but as of yesterday they were still very cheap, like $16 for a 50k evaluation account and $14 or $14.50 for a 25k. Activation fee is $85 lifetime, so the cheapest. So that's good. Check out my video and yeah. Also, I think, but it's not confirmed, it's just my personal opinion, I think ProfiTrade, because they're registered in United Arab Emirates outside of EU and US, I think they let people to trade from some restricted countries as well, but I'm not sure. It's just my opinion. Although, if they will be required to push traders to live account, the CME rules are saying, you know, the CME might rule out some restricted countries. I mean, not the CME, but the brokers. ProfiTrade, Marcin, up there. ProfiTrade. And you can also find the link down in the description below the stream. There's a link that takes you there, and or in the chat somewhere, I don't know. Streamlabs is spamming in the links. But I have 3 funded accounts currently with ProfiTrade. I can show you guys actually. Just to prove to you guys that I'm trading with them actively and I'm building up these funded accounts. So I have a 25k and another 50k in profit so far. So 25k funded account in $516 in profit. The 50k funded account in $992 in profit. And I have another 25k in $376 in profit. So these were challenges, these were evaluations. This was a direct funded, but you know, working on these, working on these funded accounts. All right, going for Asia low, I think. So far it seems like it. I might jump in if it goes up. Don't know. I have to change the risk parameters. Okay, maybe 6 micro. I don't know. I don't know. The level would be 505.50. I might do that. I might do that. Sell limit up there. Come on, where is it? Okay. Okay, so I put a sell limit up there. I don't think it's gonna go up there, but maybe if it will, I'll jump in. That would be somewhat an optimal entry for me. Hey Sam, doing okay. No Ninja Trader, so that's, oh yeah, they only have DX feed currently, and they're working on the TradingView connection as well. So you can trade with ETS, Volumetrica, and Quantower. So far, these are the ones that's available. Still not in the trade yet, just saying. Almost got my entry. Missed my entry. Missed my entry. Just a little bit. Asia low is 492. So that would be the Asia low. And so far that's it. Patience is the key. Right? Jó reggelt! Csipesz! Hello, üdvözöllek! What happened to you yesterday morning, bro? I was not angry. We was right even. I wasn't angry. It was fun. I was doing a I was doing a fun sketch there. I wasn't angry. Actually, on Discord we were talking after that. It was funny. I just did the microphone drop. Was I angry? I'm sorry if I seemed angry. It was just a scene. I pulled a Patrick Wieland yesterday. I pulled out the Patrick Wieland at the end of the stream. Can you trade ProfiTrade from the phone? Well, you have Volumetrica Web. So you can access the Volumetrica Web terminal or the dashboard trader from your phone. I'm not sure if ETS or Quantower or Volumetrica has a mobile phone application. I'm not sure about that. And also they said they're working on the TradingView connection. So I cannot confirm that to you. You're right. No, it was just a fun sketch. You know, I pulled a Patrick Wieland at the end of the stream. A microphone drop. But I was super tired. I just thought that it would be a great and fun way to end the stream, you know. Look at that. I still not get triggered here. Oh man. Missed my entry. Good morning, Fabio. What's happening? Ja, szívesen. Mondom, próbáld meg, de szerintem én nem néztem. De elvileg a mobilról be tudsz lépni, a dashboardon is tudsz kereskedni. Elvileg. Hey, Marshall MMA, welcome. MB Trader, good morning. Okay, I think we got triggered into this trade. I'm gonna use a tight stop here. And you know, just in case it would want to go lower. Asia low was close. We'll see. It might reprice and maybe take out the high. But it's London, and we never know. How's everybody doing? Oh, I should flip the Bulenox accounts once more. By the way, Bulenox is back to 90%. Quick update. And Apex extended the sale, 80% off, and the rest. All right, nice drop there. I hope it goes for it. We're doing good. All right, Bob. I'm happy. Did you see the Dow Jones? Yeah, I saw that, Bob. Totally forgot to reply. I checked it. Dude. Bob. Bob, that was awesome. I forgot to reply, but man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The day volatility after the market close, yeah. When will Apex have 9%? I don't think they're gonna do 90% anytime near soon. Maybe before the holidays, who knows? You know, Christmas is coming now. Christmas is getting closer and closer. I have to think about the Christmas presents. I have a special treat for you guys in terms of giveaways before the holidays, so it's not going to be today or anything. But I have a plan, and hopefully I'm going to be throwing out accounts and cash prizes left and right, but it's just a little bit of a teaser. I don't want to promise too much, but I'm working on something. It's going to be real good. We're going to be throwing stuff to the community. It's going to be awesome. Trust me on this one. Christmas is going to be good. Anyway. Tesla earnings. By the way, what about Tesla? So I saw in the news that all the Tesla cars, so in America, a lot of like fields are filled up with Tesla, like basically unsold, because they're just having a hard time selling Teslas. Nobody's buying a Tesla in the US. I was watching some YouTube videos about this, and they are saying even the Cybertruck is depreciating super heavily. Nobody wants to buy Cybertruck, not even used. And they have so many Model 3 and Model S sitting on the fields, in the cornfields, brand new cars, and nobody wants to buy them. I don't know. Just make us a nice video about Budapest. I will do that. They had too much malfunctions. I'm gonna do a Budapest video. So I don't know. Electric. Yeah, so they're saying that the electric cars are just gonna be like the cell phones. Like, people are buying cell phones every 6 months. That's the number. People are changing their cell phones every 6 months, but not because you know, because cell phones are losing a lot of value and people just throwing them away like garbage. And the same thing is happening with the electric cars. That's what they're saying. But I don't know. I was just watching a video, and Tesla is having issue with the sales. But cars crashing, really? By themselves, not breaking? What the heck? What the heck? That's interesting. That's interesting. People are scared, so they don't buy. Wow. Oh, by the way, I always forgot to change this so you guys can see which account am I on currently. Oh, you guys don't see it like that. Okay. Anyway. We are going to 4 hour forever. I don't know. I was just looking for the low hanging fruit if it gets there. That's the Asia low, by the way. Asia low, and we have a 15-minute BC down there. So that was the only thing I was looking for. Free smartphone every 6 months. You go to one company to another. All right. Well, listen, it's a good thing. It's a good thing, you know. I think I'm gonna lower my stop a little bit down here, just in case, you know. It's going okay. It's going okay, by the way, Bob. Slow progress. Today I received another payout from Bulenox. So I told you guys, they pay every Wednesday. Looking to long decks. Oh, let's go, Fabio. Well, the only thing I'm looking here is this Asia low, if it gets it. I haven't even checked it on the mini, by the way. I don't know what's the number on the mini. Because if the mini takes it, you know, 92.50. All right, then. See a little bit of a bounce here. I don't like this. I don't like this. I might have to put back my stop. Let's go. Tesla's limitation is production, not consumption. Oh! But they have so many cars. I mean, production, you mean like the quality or the quantity? Because they have so many vehicles, so many cars all around the place in cornfields, sitting in the grass, on the sun, because nobody buys them. Yeah, it's hunting me. The market makers again. It's the market makers. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put it up there. That's what Mark Douglas would say. You know, don't mess around with your stop loss and take profit. Leave it. When you put on the trade, leave it. Forget about the trade. Forget about, if you're gonna mess with the stop loss and the take profit, that's just gonna make you confused and gonna mess up your mind. So I'm putting it back. Are those photos real? I don't know. I saw a YouTube video with a drone. They sent in a drone and they were making a YouTube video about a huge amount of Teslas on a huge field. They were just sitting there. I don't know. Maybe those were just the cars that were not qualified to be sold, you know. You missed anything? Well, Yokozuna, the main thing is that they pulled some new rules about the daily profits. You know, flipping rule, basically. You have to make now above $250 and 100 and something per day to count as a trading day or lose. A little bit something like that. And you have to leave some threshold on the account. Basically, they want to get rid of the flippers. So that's it. I have a video. I recorded it, basically. You closed the dump. Yeah, it was funny, man. It was funny. So don't worry, guys. Yesterday I just pulled the good old Patrick Whelan stunt. Na, 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 na. But as I said, I'm gonna be trading the Take Profit Trader accounts and the MyFundedFutures evaluation as well. Have to build it up. And I'm considering, I think I'm gonna buy a Milestone account, an instant funded account with MyFundedFutures. I think it's a little bit more expensive, but I would treat that, you know, step by step, trading it up. That would be the goal. Watch that. Which one? I don't see a link. No, Tesla has no storage issue. They sell everything they produce. Oh. EV storage issues. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, Reza blown the FTT accounts. Yeah, they Zinga. We are in cells. Let's see what's gonna happen. There's an Asia low down there. So I can actually put on a text here. Asia low. We'll see. Hey, Surek. Then what do you know about the new 30% flat rule? It's not a hard rule, Surek. That's the main thing, because everybody is misunderstanding. Did you get the email, Surek? Apex has sent out an email with examples and the video as well, explaining that it's not a hard rule, but they have very good examples in that email. But it's nothing special. It's just per trade, and it's not a hard rule. It's a soft rule. So you can still use your maximum daily loss limit if you're in a losing streak. You can enter new trades. It's per trade, actually. So everybody's freaked out about that 30% risk rule, but which can actually increase. So you can increase that. Until you're not in profits, until you're not locking in your account, for example, a 50K account, until you're not locking in that account and producing more profits, then your 30% is going to be measured to the maximum loss limit, which is $2,600 or 25 or whatever. Sorry, 25. And then if you have $3,000 profit on your account, then your 30% is going to be $1,000. But honestly, you know, why would I want to lose 30% on one single trade? You know, that is something that easily manageable. 484, we'll see. It's not, I don't know. I don't like this price action so far. Selling gold, let's go. Milestone, that's an instant funded account from Fast Track, from MyFundedFutures. That's the new instant funded account. Basically, you know, there's a profit target, that's all. So that's why it's called Milestone. If you make $3,000 on the account, then they will pay you $2,000. That's called a milestone. And if you can do that 4 times, then you're going straight to a live account, straight to live. So that's it. Basically an instant funded account. Check it out. Oh, thank you so much, Marcus. Thank you for the compliment. It feels good. Thank you, man. Thank you. But listen, I'm sometimes I am acting up stupid and weird, and sometimes I might not even be in a good mood. But thank you so much for everybody who hangs around here in London and also in New York. I would be super happy if more of you guys could join me in New York. I would like to push the New York stream a little bit better, but it's hard a little bit for me, the New York session, because the charts are moving much faster. Here in London, we have a little bit extra energy to talk everything because charts are slow. But in New York, I try to focus much more on the chart. So I might not be able to talk that much. But try to remember all the rules. Yeah, so many rules. I know, Yokozuna, so many rules, so many prop firms. But, you know, they give the leverage and that's it. Currently on MyFundedFutures and TradeFi instant accounts. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely pay the trader. Those are good. Didn't worry it. Jules, I would wait until the first week of November with fast track trading. People got emails for paid by date until yesterday, the 22nd of October. They did not get the payout. Again, a new promise that's not been delivered. We have the new rules. Everybody's angry and leaving. I also got the paid by date guaranteed, email, which is saying the 2nd of November. I'm gonna wait the first week of November, guys, and I'm gonna decide. But for now, if I were you and myself, I'm not purchasing new accounts from Fast Track Trading until the issues are not gonna get resolved, until we start to see that they're getting ahead of the payouts finally. And so I would suggest any one of you guys just to wait until at least the first week of November with Fast Track Trading. That's what I would say. Wait with the purchasing because right now there's a huge mess that's going around. I hope they will get it together there. Nobody answers questions. Support is not answering tickets. I have several emails that not has been answered. If I ask a question, as Methodical Man said in the stream, it's an eggshell, walking on eggshells in their Discord, because if I ask a question, I might just get shut down, like, oh, shut up, or not shut up, but they don't really like these kind of payout questions and anything, so mostly they just don't answer. So I just want to wait until the dust settles. Just wait until the dust settles. I hope they will get it together. I really, really hope. They have a good business model. You're being here. All right, thank you, Sam. No, $500 a one-time. It's a one-time fee. What's that 500? If you don't respect the rule and request payout, that's when you reminded. Not exactly, but I know, Pips Hunter, what you mean by that. They said, well, you're not gonna get banned or whatever, but the payout's gonna be denied. But you can also, I'm curious how is that 6-day task team is gonna work out, because they said there's a separate team watching those accounts which are over 6 trading days and getting eligible for payout, because they're going to monitor those accounts and they're going to send an email advanced to the payout request that, hey dude, this account is not ready for payout because of this and this. I don't know, we'll see. True Forex Funds 2.0. Well, I don't know. Click from Discord asking an update. Yeah, I'm afraid to ask anything on their Discord because they're kicking out and muting out people. So no answers from support. So I would just say that wait. Per month? Per month? Let me check. One-time fee. One-time fee. You see? $400 one-time fee. It says one-time fee. The 50K instant funded account. The 100K is 500 with the discount. 150K is $600 with the discount. Instant funded account. So it's a one-time fee. It has to be. There are people who will buy accounts. Prop firms are like casino. Yeah, that's true, Pay the Trader. That's why we have to do our best in trading. That's why we're here. That's why we have to work on our craft, our edge. You know, we have to do our best. No, we're not just trading against the markets, but in a way, we're trading against the house rules. So the resemblance is, you know, there. Is saying monthly. Come on, let me check. Milestone. If I go to their website to purchase it, it says one time. This is the website. So if you go to purchase, it says one-time fee. So if I click on it, Quant Tower, payment once. You see? Once. So it's a one-time fee. It has to be a one-time fee. Sorry, how does Bulenox works? Bulenox is simple to Apex, basically, is what I can say. You have to leave the safety threshold on your account, and the minimum withdrawal is $1,000. So it means that a 50K account, to get a withdrawal, you have to make $3,600. So, for example, today I just got the payout on Wise. You can see it right here. This morning, 6 a.m., Bulenox paid $1,013. I received it this morning. And you can request everything. I mean, the minimum payout is 1,000. The first 3 payouts has a cap for $1,500. And after that, there is no cap. So that's how simple. Yeah, that's true, Camille. That's true. Nothing guaranteed. Oh yeah, the 100% tomsabo guarantee. Yeah, Gabriel. The tomsabo guarantee is always there. It's always there. Man, this trade is not taking the Asia low. What a BS. It's not going for it. Evaluation phase is $17.50. Right now they have a 90%. You can do anything you want in the evaluation phase, everything or anything you want. So you can, you know, no consistency rule, 1 day pass. Although there's 5 minimum trading days, so if you pass it in 1 day, it's fine, but you have to flip it for 4 more days. Interesting rule, but that's what they have. Yeah, slow London right now. It's a slow London. Look at that. I was so close to Asia low. And max in the amount you make in the eval, like top step. They are not going to take you out automatically. I mean, no consistency, Bob. So no, top step has a 50% consistency. Bulenox doesn't. You can pass it in 1 day. Yeah, might be the Alzazinga. I was really hoping that we will take out Asia low, but it seems like this was a trap. So it is what it is. Lured me into that. Actually, my entry was, I think my entry was okay, but for some reason it's not taking it. It's not going down for those lows. Toll Trader, hey there. Sahara volume. I was short as well. Got out break even. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know what this is right now. We have London open in a few minutes, so yeah, it's up to you, Bob. I'm just saying that you have to trade up to $3,600. That's the thing. And then you can request a payout. Yes, you can check it up there on the upper right corner. It's tomsabo for the best discount. It's tomsabo. Excuse me. Excuse me. I haven't slept again. I don't know why. What about the activation fees? The 50K account has $148. So $1 cheaper than Top Step. $148. The 50K, the 25K is $140. The 100K account is a 200 and something, $230 or $40. But I would strongly advise do not go higher. Maybe the 100K is the maximum. But the 150K account has a $500 activation fee. Do not go for that. I think it's super expensive. It's not worth it, I think. The optimal with Bulenox is the 50Ks. Those are the optimal accounts, I think. Yeah, you can check it on their website. Oh, well. We have London open in almost 1 minute. When you make profit, any cap on the money you can... Yes, the first 3 withdrawals have a $1,500 cap. The first 3. After the first 3 withdrawals on the same account, so it's not all together on the same account, there's no more cap. But I think it's all right. It's perfectly fine. So I take out every $1,000, so I don't have an issue with that 1,500 thing. Well, FTT or MyFundedFutures starter account, for example, has a $1,200 cap for the first 3 withdrawals. I don't have any problem with that. Most recommended prop, MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. I'm saying that with the fact that I have not taken payout from Take Profit Trader yet, but I do like the thing that they're not asking anything daily, then the fastest payout system. I took payout from MyFundedFutures, but so far everything, the support and everything else checks out with them. The company profile, the business model, everything. I took payouts from Apex and Bulenox as well, and TopStep too, and I think TopStep is great too. But I think MyFundedFutures heads off my flagship, which I want to push real hard and take profit at the rest of the year and so forth. I need those daily payouts too, but MyFundedFutures, I'm gonna purchase a Milestone account too. I wanna build that Milestone account step by step. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but I wanna work on it. So, DEX dumping. I don't have DEX opened up. I don't have it. John D, the Milestone account, if you scroll up in the chat, you will see Streamlabs spamming in with a promo picture there. It's the new instant funded account from Fast Track. Sorry, MyFundedFutures instant funded account. It's called Milestone account. Basically, there's a profit target. That's the main difference. There's a profit target on the funded account, which is on a 50K, it's $3,000. If you reach the profit target, you get a $2,000 payout. And then you can do it again. If you do that 4 times, you're going straight to a live account. But basically, you're buying yourself into an instant funded account. With the discount currently, it's $400, the cheapest instant funded account from MyFundedFutures. But again, I think it's, you know, the company is good. What the heck is happening with NASDAQ here? I thought we're gonna finally take out Asia. And if you want the best discount on the instant funded account, you can also use the code tomsabo. Anyway. I don't know what the heck is going on with this London Open. You're now limited with Apex. Their new max limit drawdown on one trade sucks. The only thing, you know, John, it's simple. You know, for example, on a 50K funded account, when your trade goes down negative $750, you put a stop loss there. And you get the loss, 750. Yeah. You stop yourself out at 750 and just re-enter the trade if you're so confident in that particular trade, because that's it. That's how simple to go with. But I know, I understand. But you know, 30% risk on one single trade, obviously it's your system, but I think it's a little bit too much. You know, if you're risking 30% of your leverage. I know a lot of people are using their max leverage, but I don't know. Man, this NASDAQ is looking very, very, very bad for me. Yeah, I'm building my accounts on Apex too. I have 2 funded accounts that are over $2,600 now. With the old rules, I could be requesting $4,000 now. So, but with the new rules, I have to keep on trading or use a larger account. Yeah. Man, this trade is super tricky. Yeah, I don't like this. What a shame. This trade could have been worked out quite nicely. Almost at the take profit to wipe out Asia lows, and now it's just gonna go higher. It is what it is, right? If it goes higher, how far can it go? I have no fair value gap or anything. To utilize. But I think it might want to go at least above the 530s from here. Yeah. Almost relative equal highs at the 530s. The 15-minute, technically, the 15-minute chart looks quite flat. Consolidation. There's a buy-side imbalance, sell-side inefficiency starting at 480. Sorry, yeah, 480 down there. That's the only level, but I think it's just gonna pop higher here. What a shame. What a shame. Let's go. Yeah, this range is... I thought that, you know, after 2 a.m., after this drop, I thought that we're just going to go for Asia low. And for a little bit here, it was very close. But, yeah, it's going to take it out. Unfortunately, yeah, I'm out. So, liquidity sweep. Or I don't know, something like that. Something like that. Morning, John. Good morning, Peter. Okay, we have this 1 hour. This is a 1 hour gap, by the way, here. So let me just pull it up here, all the way here. This is a 1 hour BC. And we're going straight up to those highs, I think so. Yeah. There was a possible entry down there, which I could have taken. But I didn't. Now it just feels like that it might want to go all the way up to 27 or something. Not sure. 26. Does it want to take it out? I don't know. You know, one of the reasons would be, I mean, if it would deliver up to 28 even. $5 open price. See if it can pop. Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait here. Wait and see. If this one can pop here. Otherwise, not much going on. Okay, now going down. Asia high is 37. So might want to go for Asia highs first. Nobody knows. Actually, we're inside of this range, so let's keep on waiting. I think it might want to pop that. Yeah, no problem, Isham. What's happening? Asking these questions. Wanted to find out if anyone here in the chat. Spinach. Have you trying spinach leaves? You know, when I was a kid, I was eating much more spinach than I used to nowadays. And I'm also thinking to, I should be eating spinach, by the way. It's very healthy. So, spinach is a good thing. Not just because of Popeye, but, you know, spinach is healthy. So yeah, keep on I mean, put that into your diet, because I think it's a good thing. And watching the 37.50 level if it wants to go for it, because that would be the official Asia high. I don't know if it wants to pop that, but quite interesting. No, I don't. Not raw spinach leaves. No. Yeah, I cook it. Yeah, I usually cook that. So not raw. I'm cooking it. What's this gonna do? Are we going for Asia high? It's just 17 points, by the way, so one or the other has to be taken out. I'm just curious what's gonna happen. Yeah, no problem, Isham. I think you're better off just cooking it. You know, it tastes better. Obviously, spinach is not always the tastiest food. I mean, I'm not saying I don't like it, but it's definitely not my favorite taste, I think. But it's very healthy. But I would cook it. Let's see if Asia high is gonna get taken or what. I don't have any position here to go with. So I'm just waiting now. That previous short looked good. Let's see what it wants to do first. Oh, and by the way, totally forgot, Take Profit Trader has no activation fees. Now they have this new promo. Okay, are we going to pop this or are we just gonna stay inside the range? Keep on waiting. Hey, Singularity, good day. Spinach with beef, that's good. That's good. That's a good combination. Just streamed for nearly an hour about my blowout yesterday. Oh, no audio. Oh man, it happens, man. It happens. I did that too, like last year, one day. I did that too. Okay. Sorry. Waiting for some level here. Maybe to Asia. Hey, Vivian. Good to see you. Maybe to, I mean, waiting for Asia to be taken out or maybe see a reversal here. Not sure what to expect. We have a 37.50 level up there. Let's see the mini. I haven't checked what's the level on the mini. 36. It's actually 36 on the mini. Oh man. What do you guys think? Is it going to pop it or not? Well, you can, what I do is very simple. I just open up a YouTube stream and listen. If I start to talk and open up my stream, and if I don't hear myself, then, you know, that's what I used to do sometimes. If I'm not sure, I just open up my own stream and try to listen. If I talk, can I hear anything? Yeah. Yeah, the old school way. Open up the stream and listen to it. 550. Sorry, 540. Pop it like it's hot. Do you guys think it's gonna go through? I'm not so sure at this point. I mean, the mini has been taken out, so only the micro left. Let's wait. All right, it's taken it out. And now, what should we do, right? Taking out the Asia high. So at least we got out from this range, but if I look to the left on the 15-minute, I don't see anything special. We have a PM session high and simple buy side liquidity at 72. Small little fair value gap on the 5-minute that just got tapped into, which is great. You were right with the 540. And now that the Asia high has been taken, let's just wait and maybe possibly wait for a reversal to go for the Asia low. I might have a second chance to you know, jump into my short trade again. You were mentioned on Zero. Oh yeah, see, Jay is cool. Jay is cool. Sometimes I check on his stream. There's real out opening range trades, but they did introduce other stuff. Yeah. Are you trading your profile accounts? I was busy blowing up my ProfiTrade. Yeah, I'm trading my ProfiTrade accounts. I have 3 funded accounts currently with ProfiTrade, and yeah, I'm trading them. I have a 50K funded account and I have 2 25K accounts, but I want to do some more evaluations or maybe buy a direct 25K. Well, maybe 50K funded. I don't know. Shorts below 495-ish for you. Let's go, Toll Trader. Good morning, Manugik sir. EU is a bloodbath. All right. Well, sometimes it does that. I mean, what a tricky move. You know, down there. And it just went up. No, because, John, they are brand new. They are absolutely brand new. I never used, I mean, I'm trading with them since last week, but they are brand new. The founders of ProfiTrade were actually the co-founders with the Tick Trader. And so they have a few years of experience, quite a few years experience with prop trading. And I saw reports with them, and I also started to email with them and chat with them. They seem to be very experienced and know what they're doing. So that's it, basically. So they're from Tick Trader, but they made this new thing with futures. Let's go, Jono. Let's go. But, you know, check out my video. I made a video last week about them. It's very simple, just talking about the basic rules. And, you know, guys, every month there is a new prop firm coming out. But I'm trying to talk about and promote the ones that I also trade with, and my job right now is to take payouts as well. And but I think so far everything checks out with them. They have credit card payments with Stripe, so Stripe is supporting them, which is very good. That's a very good card provider. They pay out through Rise, so that's a good thing. Maybe the down thing is that only, I mean, they have DX speed, which is not a problem for me. You can trade only Quanthour, Volumetrica, or ETS, or these platforms that are supporting DX speed. But they're working on the TradingView integration. They don't want to work with Rhythmic. They said that clearly. They don't want Rhythmic accounts. So hopefully, and they said something that they're working on something with NinjaTrader. I don't know. Not sure. Yeah, check it out, John. All right, so we have a possible reversal. So is this the Judah swing? The daily rule. Well, there is a flipping rule as well, which I don't mind. The flipping rule is, for example, the 25K account threshold, which you can request payout. So if you reach $1,600 on a 25K accounts, you can request $1,000 for payout. You have to leave $500. Now the flipping rule or daily rule is that you have to make win or lose 7% of the threshold on a day to be counted as a winning day. That's the main rule, which means about $110 or 20 something dollars. I don't even know, $116 on a 25K. On a 50K, it's $180 something dollars to be counted as a winning day against flippers. That's it, basically. Other than that, everything is simple. End of day trailing on the direct funded account, but you can choose what kind of funded account you want to go with. So if you pass an intraday trailing account on the activation fee, you can configure it yourself. Check out the video. It's yeah, 189 minimum for 50K. Yeah. Most London Open is good for same trade. Yeah, wait for TradingView integration. I don't know how far it's gonna take for them to make that. Don't hold your breath, but hopefully they will do it. I don't use ProfiTrade, but I want to understand better just in case. Do you pay a monthly fee? Yeah, with ProfiTrade, there's no monthly fees, not even on the valuation accounts. So get this, guys. ProfiTrade is the only prop firm in futures right now that I know that they don't have monthly payments on the evaluations. So if you purchase a $16 evaluation account, that's it. If it takes for you 3 months to pass that account, that's it, $16. So that's a good thing, I think. Good morning, Tamás, jó reggelt. Not trading? Oh, well. I think you made quite a lot of profit there. Family program, okay. Think they are not serious. Because my computer doesn't accept their site internet. Oh, it blocks it. Well, my computer has antivirus and everything. And my Google Chrome has all kind of integrations, but on my end, there was no issue. There is a possible short entry here. I might take it. I don't know. All right, I took a short. Here. Let me show you. That's my trade. Only with micros, nothing special. If it's starting to go higher, let it be. I don't care. I'm just targeting those Asia lows. Holiday. Yeah, in holiday. Today is a holiday in Hungary. National holiday. too soon. Green is green, you know. Good morning, Trader Monk. What do you know? I just received the money from Bulenox to my bank account. They sent it a few hours ago, and I just received it to my bank account. Thank you, Bulenox. Thank you, Bulenox. Leave some money. All right. Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, all right. Just a second. You took the trade too? Let's go, man. Let's go. Yeah, I'm just hoping for that Asia low, basically. That is all I'm hoping for currently. We're all in this together. Exactly. So this trade, I took it on a ProfiTrade funded account, but I'm only risking like 80 something dollars. Break even already. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so far this is my second trade. I really hope that we can target those Asia lows. On the 5 minute, I don't see anything else. I mean, yeah, we have some lows down there, and we have to get through the 1 hour fair value gap as well. We'll see. Out half, let's go. What is the activation fee for ProfiTrade? The activation fee, the minimum is 85, and you can go all the way to 200 or 300, whatever, depends on the account. Because you can choose if you want. So that's also a different difference with ProfiTrade. You can choose how you want to activate your funded account. Do you want it to be intraday trailing? Do you want daily loss limit? Do you want end of day trailing? And the activation fee is going to be different for each of those variations. The cheapest one is $85 lifetime, which is the intraday trailing, basically. But I think on a 50K, and it's up to, you can go with no consistency rule with end of day trailing for 219, I think, or something like that. There's a video I made about it, Secrets of the Unknown. Check it in my videos. I talk about the activation fees as well. It's just the basic rules. Good morning, Venom. Yeah, they're on sale until November. Yes, so 90% off from the valuations, and the direct funded accounts are 50 or 60%, maybe 50% only currently. Not sure. So, finished your top step. Let's go. Toll Trader is out. Congratulations, Toll Trader. Let's go, let's go. I think I need to wait for the end of the day to continue. Yeah. Yeah, you have to. You have to. You have to wait for that. Okay. Let's see what it does. Do we have any news? We have nothing today. Nothing in the US. Crude oil, FOMC member. So far, that's it. Looks promising. Hopefully they pay their... Yeah, guys, I'm telling this at the very first part of the video too that I made. It's a brand new prop firm, but the founders are from Tick Trader, and it seemed like they know what they're doing. You know, it's your decision to make, but I like their business model so far. So, oh really? Let me check. Whoa, beautiful. Beautiful, Bob. Now this is really something. Yeah, nice traps down there. You took the long, and that's it. Very nice trades, Bob. And I mean, I like the analysis. You are on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, I like it. Which platform are the founder trader of? The founder, ProfiTrade. Not founder, co-founders or partners or something like that. They were with the Tick Trader, like co-founders or business partners with, or I don't know, maybe founders for Tick Trader, and they decided to do their own futures prop firm. So they're registered in the United Arab Emirates, which is somewhat good, I think. It has its advantages outside EU and US jurisdiction. Not happy, didn't receive an email from FTT, which means my approved payout is now reversed and literally have to make the same amount again. Buffer so unfair. Should start today. Yeah, Rob, so I was watching their meeting yesterday, and I was specifically asking, and I got one answer. They said if you received a paid by date email, then those payouts are going to be okay. That's what they said. If you did not receive a pay by date email, then most likely your payout is reversed, and you have to continue the trade. So yeah, we don't play with rules. Yeah, let's go, Bob. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. Gold is just nuts. United Arabian Emirates. Exactly. Trades by Slage. Hey there. Scott messaged me on Twitter last night and asked if he had If I had a pending payout, I said no. But should I have yes and try to get paid? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. By the way, did you message before? I mean, do you guys have spoken with Scott? I haven't never spoken with him directly. I did not want to disturb him because maybe he's super busy. Eddie Gunnicut, hey there, Eddie, welcome to the channel, welcome to the stream. Thank you for the subscription. How much is the activation fee in Bulenox? $148. For the 50K. And you can have up to 11 accounts, but at once you can only have 3. And once those accounts are above the safety threshold, they are going to add you more accounts. So you can still pass evaluation accounts. They're going to be put in dormant. And as soon as one account goes above the safety threshold, they're going to activate them for you. I flipped only 1 day out of 10 days in 3 of my friends. Now I need to trade for 10 more days. Oh, Sam, that's not good. Multiple times he said would personally pay. Maybe I should message him too. I don't know. There's a scammer in the Discord who is using Scott's name. Be aware. Oh, there's multiple people who's using Scott's name and profile picture. Multiple people. No problem, Bob. If Black Beauty bought a few ProfiTrade account, then I know it's legit. Do you need to pay monthly for 4th evaluation? On Bulenox? No. If you request, for example, you already have 3 funded accounts, and you pass more evaluations, you can just request the activation, and it's going to appear on your dashboard as pending, and you don't have to pay anything else. It's just going to say pending, and once you get there, they're just going to activate. I mean, put an activation link there. Brad, hey there, Brad Quinn, thank you for the subscription, man. Much appreciated. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Interesting, yeah. Interesting. The retroactive rule, yeah, it's maybe not the, I don't know, not the best, definitely. I mean, everybody has the pain about this. Yeah. Well, it's not over yet until we're not going lower with this, so just gonna wait. One question: how should we trade combine? Try to hit base hits, or well, the combine account with TopStep is, you know, different. There's a 50% consistency rule, but basically you can do whatever you want, and the daily loss limit is a soft breach, so it's depending on your trading style, your risk management, you know, all that stuff. And Bulenox, okay. Well, with Bulenox on the evaluation account, you can do whatever you want. There is no consistency rule on the evaluation. You can pass it in 1 day. That's what I do with them. There's a 5 minimum trading day rule with Bulenox. Pass it in 1 day is what I did. I passed it in 1 day. And then for the next 4 days, I was just flipping it with 1 micro. I know it's an interesting rule, but that's how they do it. You have to trade for 5 days on the eval. But what can we do? It is what it is. FTT a scam. I'm not saying it's a scam, but definitely they have problems right now with all these flippers, and you know, that's what I said to you guys. I have to, you know, let's wait this out. They sent out emails to Payout people. You know, I really hope that they can manage it. I told you guys yesterday and today too that I'm gonna wait a bit and sit this one out and wait for the first week of November if they pay out people. I'm also waiting for a payout. I didn't even receive any affiliate payout with them since 2 months now. So I did not get affiliate payouts. I'm still waiting for an account to be paid out. I received the paid by date email. I hope that they will manage it. So that's why I said I'm gonna see what happens in the first week of November. For now. You know, what's the payout scheme for ProfiTrade? I think I'm gonna get a few accounts. Minimum 7 trading days. There's a flipping rule as well. Flipping rule. Check it on their website. The flipping rule is basically what counts as a trading day. 50% of the trading days, so in 7 days that means 4. They round it up to 4. So 4 days on a 25k account has to be above 120 or 118, 120 something dollars. On the 50k account it has to be above $189. So 7% of the safety threshold basically. 7% of the safety threshold counts as a trading day, but you only have to make 50% of your trading, at least 50% of your trading days. So I know it sounds difficult, but it's not. 7 days is the minimum trading day. So basically 4 days has to be traded above those levels to be able to request the fastest way to pay out. But it's against the flippers. I have no issue against flippers and, you know, the flipping rules as far, I mean, if it's manageable, you know. So Top Step requires you to make $200 days for a payout, right? Now here it's not that kind of amount, but something similar. And yeah, but the frequently asked questions page on their website is getting updated frequently. So go check it out. It's not that difficult actually. 7 minimum trading days. You can request the safety threshold minus $500. That's the main thing. So for example, on a 50k account, you can request, you have to trade it up to $2,600, and then you can request $2,000, but you have to leave $500. So basically like the old days of Apex, you can request $2,000 and $500 stays on the account. I think they're going to change that, I think, in the future, because every prop firm is changing that because of the flippers. But for now, that's how it works. So you can request the safety threshold. How do you pass it? Do you go for more 10-point trades or one home runner? The Bulenox account, the Bulenox evaluation accounts, I use a different method. I go full port, not because that's the way I trade, but the evaluation accounts are very cheap at Bulenox, just like with ProfiTrade. I do the same exact thing with ProfiTrade. Has a 1-day pass, by the way. I mean, there's no minimum trading days on the evaluations. But Bulenox, I do the same exact thing. I go full port. You know, my number is usually I can pass 1 account out of 3 evaluations if I go full port. Obviously, not just a random trade. I choose a proper trade setup, and I go full port, and I usually pass 1 account out of 3. I can safely say that. So I blow up 2 accounts, but these are cheap. and I'm not wasting more time on evaluations with these prop firms. With other prop firms like Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, I do take my time because those are a little bit more expensive. Rules are a little bit, I mean, not bad, but I do want to take it more seriously, especially now with the instant funded account from MyFundedFutures, everybody. Instant funded account from MyFundedFutures. So I'm going to definitely trade an instant funded account with them. The flippers are the ones who are having a few or one or two big trading day, like a windfall trade. You know, they full port or something, they make a few $1,000s on one day, and the rest of the days they just flip it with a small amount of profit or loss, just to, you know, have the minimum trading days, and wait until it equals out to get a payout. That's it. They abusing the system and just waiting for it to reach the criteria and request the payout. That's it. Yeah, you can evaluation. I mean, you can also full port unfunded, but of course, trading the evaluation and the fundeds are a completely different thing, guys. And I don't want anybody to build up bad habits or anything, but those are two different things. So, you know. See you in New York, Bob. See you in New York. So one of the goals for me for the rest of the year is to trade more with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. Yeah, Apex, I know a lot of you guys don't like this opinion. I also know that Methodical Man, who I deeply respect, don't like the new rules with the Apex and fast track trading, but I think Apex made the best of the best rule change so far this year. It was really needed to sustain the business model and to sustain stability and faster payouts, and you know, I think this was their best decision so far this year. I know you guys hate me for saying that, but I really have good hopes that this is going to be overall a very good outcome. I think Sage also were tweeting about the same that I tweeted, that it could be a big comeback for Apex, I think. I know, Herty. I know. I respect everybody's opinion. If you hate Apex, I understand. I got most of my payouts from Apex until this day. I mean, from trading. So, and not just because I'm an affiliate with them. By the way, Apex is by far not my best affiliate prop firm. But I did receive the most of the payouts, of course, because I was also going for the safety threshold. But I did the same, like with Bulenox, I proved to myself that I can trade it up to $3,600 and request multiple times now. So I don't have any issue with the new Apex rules. Not at all. Not at all. You know. Yeah, I mean, we can disagree, which is not an issue because I will still respect your opinion. So, Apex too many rules, yeah. Absolutely, I understand, Salty. I understand. Well. I passed ProfiTrade, yes. Yes, I passed. I mean, I'm still trading on the funded accounts. I'm still trading on funded accounts, but yeah. Did you go for? I went for the trailing stop, the cheapest one, the $16 trailing stop, because I was full porting. That's why I did that. I was full porting, and you know, it was super fast. I passed the account with full port. A few minutes later, or like 2 minutes or 1 or 2 minutes later, I got the email that congratulations for passing the account. I activated the account, and so I got the funded accounts like 5 minutes later. So on the same day, I got the funded account a few minutes after I passed the evaluation account. A few minutes. Super fast. Super fast. Everything's automated, so that's good. Given the choice, would you use your own funds or prefer to go for a... I would prefer to go for now with a funded account, because 2 reasons. One reason is that I'm not considering myself a good trader yet. I still have a lot of things to learn. I'm not ready emotionally to trade on my personal account. That's the reason, one of the reasons. The second reason is that why would I deposit $2,000 or $3,000? Risk. I mean, the risk over investment, you know, that's ROI. So should I deposit, for example, $3,000 to withdraw $1,000? Or should I deposit, even for an instant funded account, just like about $100 or $200, for example, ProfiTrade or whatever, to request the same amount? So the risk over investment, the numbers are a little bit better for the prop firm side, right? So depositing $3,000 to get $1,000, or depositing $200 or $300 to get $1,000, which one is a better risk on reward? You know, have to see it as a business too, not just, I mean, obviously we have rules, prop firms has rules, not difficult rules, by the way, absolutely not. But the risk over investment is much better with the prop firms. That's how simple at the end of the day. That's how simple. I took down 2 micros of this. I used to do this because sometimes there could be some profit taking and bounces back up there. It happened earlier with me as well on this level. So, but you know, right now it seems like this one could be a good one. This one could be a good one. I'm not moving my stop and take profit, but I just had to take us. So this is just, you know, technically a free trade or something, but why is Bulenox instantly funded? It's not instantly funded. You have to trade 5 minimum trading days. What is the slow motion movement in this with NQ? I don't know what's happening, Naomi. I don't know. But it's low. Still waiting for these Asia lows. So that's why I took off a little bit here, and hopefully it will continue to go. I mean, what I think, you know what, I'm going to extend it to here, to 93, to take out that Asia low. My take profit, I just lowered it down. You know, here I couldn't take it. I hope that now it's just going to go. It should. Recover to break even. Let's go. Let's go, Steam. It feels good, I know, to recover. By the way, I think I'm gonna put this to break even too. You know, I'm on break even. It feels good to be in a break even trade. And that's it. Let's see if the Asia lows are gonna get taken out or not. Well, not yet, Fresh Delgado. I'm still waiting for these Asia lows to be taken. But I already took partial profits, so this is just for fun. You know. Morning, Zekti. I'm out of coffee again. Yeah, I'm out. I shouldn't drink too much coffee. I think that's the issue also with the sleeping problem that I have. Just got in buys. Good luck. Good luck, Matt. I think, I mean, there's a good chance. Obviously, if it starts to bounce in this area, let me show you. We are still at the 1 hour gap, so didn't really close below. So if it bounces, we can continue way higher. You know, squeeze the shorts. I think a lot of traders jumped into a short. There might be a squeeze, but that's why I took some partials earlier. $500 levels hold. Hopefully for you. For me, I'm sorry to say this. For me, I want it to break. I want the Asia level to be taken finally. It took out the Asia high, and now it should be delivered to Asia low. But I you know. Yeah, I already made some profit. There you go, Matt. Leave some for you too. Yeah, I'm on break even, so I don't mind losing this one. I took some partial at least, and I recovered from my loss earlier. The first trade, for those of you guys who were not here earlier in the stream, the first trade I was short here, and it got me out up there. And so with this one I managed to recover. We have the equities open, of course, a few minutes ago, so let's see if we have something. It could be a squeeze. I always tend to forget that the 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is always kicking in some volume, usually. Not always, but usually. Up 500, let's go, man. I don't trust NQ right now, waiting for 4, yeah. I think I made the good decision for taking some partials there. Okay. Was there some kind of a news here? Let me check the mini. Nothing. Let's go back to here. If this current candle would trade below the 510.50, then, you know, that could be a very good short signal, but this is just going to push it back up there. There's a small imbalance here at 17, another volume imbalance at 19. It's going to do up close candles all the way up there, and then it's going to squeeze up. So you guys are good. Yeah, I was having 3. I was having 3, but I lost about $80 on the previous. This is a 25K funded account. So I'm up $70 now, even if I lose this one. So actually I'm okay. I took 2 micros from up there down here. So I'm all right, you know. Trading small, that's what I do. Less stress. All right, this one went up there. Let's see. Yeah, Zach, we were talking about a little bit from FTT, but nothing special. I just said that I cannot. I have to wait. I cannot promote them that much right now. I have to wait what happens until November, because people got emails for payouts. They didn't receive the payments. You know, the new rules is a thing, but so far the money is not flowing as it should. So I'm just gonna wait for the first week of November, and we'll see. That's it. You're one of them. Yeah. So I talked to a few guys on Discord. They received pay by date emails, which already passed, and no payment has been made to their Rise account. And I'm just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen, and that's it. You know, if nothing is gonna get better on the first week of November, that's it. I mean, I'm not gonna. I told these to you guys that you guys should wait a little bit with new accounts until everything gets sorted out. Let's hit the 523. 523 easy. I think so too. I think so too. The 523 is an easy target right now. This here. Super easy. Super easy. The 523 is the low hanging fruit. Super easy target. Super easy. Should be hitting that. But, you know, still later on, maybe in this session until the kill zone, even if it takes this level, it might do a possible reversal, which would be tempting to jump in for a second chance or third chance in this way to take out Asia low. but for now, doesn't look like it. Yeah, that low-hanging fruit here is super close. But gotta be careful, you know. This is not a good sign. This candle is not a good sign, but actually, we'll see. Let's go. Yeah, I heard about them. I just haven't tried it. Low-hanging fruit, how Tom says. Low-hanging fruit, no Diddy. Yeah. No, I know them. I know them, Singularity. I think I registered with them as well. I just haven't really looked into the details yet. Ba-dum. Bum 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 bum. Still waiting, still waiting. Sunblocks. So I figure why. Yeah, that's a good price. Absolutely. That's a very good price. You can do suggest on ProfiTrade. I see. Well, it's, you know, depending. Do you want to go evaluations? Depending on your risk management, your trading style, your entry model, your risk tolerance. You know, those are the questions. So there's no simple answer. I don't know how you trade. I took the cheapest ones, the $16 trailing stop evaluations. But don't forget, guys, you can choose how to activate your funded account. So if you choose the trailing stop account and you full port it, you can also later on then can change it. If you pass the account, you can choose to go with an end of day trailing or daily loss limit, the non-consistency, whatever. So check out my video about them, because that's one of the main difference, that you can customize your funded account after passing the evaluation. I went with the cheapest one because I full ported the accounts. But I also bought direct funded account too. So instant funded account, I also bought that. I have no payout from FTT and N64. I received the paid by date email, but the problem is I talked with a few guys yesterday who were promised for yesterday, and they did not receive it as well. So I'm gonna wait for the first week of November. And I didn't have a payout because I just started with them last week. So I'm working on my funded accounts now. I have 3 funded accounts, Sarah, but I'm working on it. I'm gonna let you guys know, definitely update you guys how I'm doing with payouts. They use Rise, by the way, to pay out. Yeah, reasonable prices, MyFundedFutures, yeah. Charles, stop, I don't like it. Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, check the video. It's a simple, basic video. Don't expect anything else. And that it has been made before some updates has been, so I might have to do a new video. But it's a basic video, nothing special. But I talk about the activation fees and payout, basic payout rules. So pay every Monday, yes. Just like Bulenox. Bulenox pays every Wednesday. ProfiTrade pays every Monday. So yeah. Yeah, they're gonna have Discord, everything, so. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Yeah, this candle is a little bit of a bearish here. Bearish engulfing candle. Kind of like a confirmation that it might want to go lower. I would be now careful, but look at this. Just like that. A bullish candle breaks through the ice. Maybe not. Maybe not. It might go wherever it wants to go. Yeah, we're stuck here. I have a feeling that it wants to squeeze once more, but gonna wait this out. If any one of you guys are into or want to go short, this area could be after this candle, the 413 bearish engulfing candle. But, you know, look at that. It's just going higher. So never mind. Never mind. We're going to cut this small segment from the stream, all right? Never happened. I never said anything to go short, right? So go long. Okay. Yeah. It's very tricky. London used to do that. Sending you a pic. All right, through X. I swear I got the same setup. Let's go. Yeah, 523 is very close. Let me check. Let me check the X. The X. What a consolidation right now, right? It's easy to stay long watching your stream, but if you go long, I lose. Oh my god. If I go long, I lose on my funded account. So I lost. Oh. Yeah, just be careful, you know. No, I was just joking there. Obviously, don't ever take my trades. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just here for entertainment purposes only, as I described it for YouTube as well. And in the description, I'm not a financial advisor. I have zero knowledge about what the hell am I doing here. I'm just here for entertainment. So never copy trade me. Never, ever, ever. Tang. They may need to stay away from Discord. That platform is cursed. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this. What's happening? Let me check on the mini. Oh yeah, the mini. So if you look at the mini, this bullish candle wicked out and turned the bearish there. That's also bearish confirmation. Not good for the bulls, but we'll see. Yeah. Trade. Wait, I'm gonna use the smaller TP. All right, Steam. Drop it for Tom and hit his TP. Yeah, let's go, guys. Come on. And to say not good for Matt. No, Matt. I don't want any one of you guys to lose. It's not good for Matt, definitely. Is what I meant to say. That's true, but small fair value gap here. Last resort to hold for the bulls. Oops. This one. If it trades below this, then it's absolutely not a good sign. This is the last savior for the bulls. Then it should drop. If it gets through, then it should be dropping. Yeah, I got paid out 1,000,000 times, you know. In my dreams. Imbalance, talking about. Yeah, I see. The imbalance. Yeah. Yeah, that's, you were talking about that. True. Not good. Still looking for these Asia lows, but I don't know. Just waiting. Uh-oh, we're going down. Oh, let me check. I have a Twitter message from Fresh Delgado. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. You're in a buy. Okay. Let's go, man. It was a fun ride. Oh, guys, it's not over yet. Is it over? It didn't go through the gap yet. So maybe there's still hope. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Full porting long. Careful, Marcin. 506, break even. Oh my god. Then you were like 2 or 3 ticks away, right? All-time highs today. Earnings. But it's up 7. Well, yeah. But it's gonna be in the New York session. For now, we're still hovering here in this London session. Now, if this one's just gonna go sideways for the next hour or something, I'm not gonna babysit this trade, obviously. So I'm not babysitting. You know, last year I did that. Last year I was babysitting trades for nothing, basically. I have my stops and take profits in order. So if this is just gonna stay like this, I'm not babysitting it. Yeah, you could do that, Marcin. I used to do that too. We make new lows and form a... Yeah, it could. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, I think you're just getting saved now. It's gonna go higher. You know what? Because it has volume imbalance up there at 14. Good chance for it. Where's my calculator? Look at this. This is holding. It's still holding. $40 more ProfiTrade payout. Let's go, man. You will make it, Trade by Slage. I think you will make it, man. So I'm not worried about you. 2 ticks, Jesus. Still in. It's going lower because you're long. I mean, look at this. I think you guys are okay for now because we have these levels here. Small volume imbalance. I told you we need up close candles on this level. Up close candle here, and another up close candle we need here. So definitely we need. Come on. No problem. The next candle should be an up close candle into this fair value gap at least. So next or the next 2 candles. So I think you guys are okay for now. And from that point, it's just a step away to go back up there. How do you copy trade? It has a built-in copy trader. There is a copy trader like this. And that's it. You can set your master account, you know, whatever. You can have as much as you want. Copy trade multiple prop firms. It's super simple, built in. Heading off now. Okay, John, thank you for being here and have a good one. Hope to see you soon. Oh my God, you guys are in danger again. What is happening? This is too much to take with, I mean, this is just too much. Come on, guys. Should I say about? I couldn't figure it out. It's super simple. Let me show you. For example, you add a copy trader. For example, you give a name, new bot, you add the description. I choose, for example, the MyFundedFutures account as the parent account, and you hit the plus sign here, and you can choose, for example, a different account. For example, a Take Profit Trader account. You choose the account, and that's it, and save it, and it's gonna copy trade it, and you can add multiple accounts too. See, this is it. That's how simple. You just save it. I'm not gonna save it, and you hit run, and it's working. I have 2 copy traders right now set up. Super simple, very basic. The copy trader on the upper left corner, I can't show you because my screen is cropped and I can't put that level from up there, but upper left corner, you scroll this down and it says copy trading. Copy trading, it's copy trading beta. I don't know if you can see it. And that's it. Yeah, try it. It's very simple. This is how we master psychology. Exactly. But dude, this is like so frustrating. Look at this price action here. Wow. Stuck here in this area. Which platform? That's Quantower. It's Quantower. It has a built-in copy trader. It's free. Quantower is free, as long as you and you can use the copy trader for free, just like with TradeAwait. If you're copy trading at the same prop firm for same accounts, you know. If you want to copy trade between multiple prop firm, you have to buy the advanced features subscription. You have to subscribe for it. It's $30 per month, and then it has the multiple connection feature. Then you can connect to multiple prop firms. Oh, we just got below 506. Venom passed his account. Oh, beautiful, guys. Congratulations. That is awesome, man. Venom, congrats. You deserve it, man. It's never in clear for upside until those Asia lows are. Yeah. London tends to go for these kind of tricky moves. I think it's still not over yet here, but who knows? I'm still holding it. 150k account, beautiful. Done and dusted. Break even. You know, break even is a winning trade, Matt. Actually, break even is a win. Have a link to join for your kickback. Well, you mean the Discord or something? We have a paid Discord. It's not free yet. I mean, I wanted to filter down the community because I didn't want it to have trolls and bots and everything. And not just that, we are sharing. We have some very, very good members there, and but it's still a small community, if that's what you're asking. It's down there in the description somewhere. But for copy trader, no. The copy trader is built in. It's built in Quantower. If you download Quantower, it's built in. It's in the program. You have to use Quantower for copy trading, or you can use Nitro. Nitro and Quantower is basically the same. Or maybe, yeah, yeah, because not Nitro, maybe because they made it for FTT. I think FTT rebranded Quantower. I would skip Nitro. I would just uninstall Nitro and use Quantower from quantower.com. And you can connect to every prop firm. No, I was in with 3 micros. I already took partials down there. I already took partials here around 504. So it's just 1 micro now. So I would say if you guys are using Nitro, uninstall it and download Quantower. It's basically the same, but it's not limited to that much. Yeah, that's what I said. Easy because we took out Asia high. We had this dump here. I just entered here on this repricing this area, and that's it. Nothing special. So it was really so far easy. The setup was so far easy. Man, this trade is just so slow. But I have a very, good feeling that it should be taking out the Asia low. Let me check the mini for Asia low. It's 92.50, and the micro is also nice. So 92.50 would be, I can actually put it down all the way to 92.75 just to make sure, you know, it goes through. The daily loss as on ProfiTrade saved me from going. Yeah, that's also a good thing. The daily loss limit in these cases to save you from rage trading. Yeah, I need these kind of trades. I agree. It's feels much better. Even if I lose, you know, I just need to sit in these kind of trades. You know, if I have a long-term target, it's just better to focus on it. That's just a short-term target, but yeah, you definitely have the guts to hold it. But to be honest, guys, I don't really want to babysit this trade, and I'm not going to take more trades. And I have a place I have to go to, so I'm going to call it here. I'm going to leave this trade on. It will be break even or take profit. My TP is at 92.75. Break even is up there at 24.50. So that's it for the London session. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in the New York session. I would be glad to see everybody back there. And if you guys would like to support the channel, please use my codes. Helps a lot, really. Bulenox, 90% sale. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee. Apex, 80% off one-day pass. MyFundedFutures, the new instant funded account and the cheapest accounts, technically including activation fee. So check them out. And ProfiTrade, obviously, check out the video, instant funded accounts. All right, thank you so much. I'll be back in New York. Take care, be safe, trade safe, and see you guys later. God bless you all. Cheers, everybody.